Kalai versus Fisher 2025. Which nutrition app is better? Tracking nutrition in 2025 has never been easier, but should you choose Kalai or Fisher? Let's find out. Kalai uses artificial intelligence to track meals, analyze macros, and suggest improvements automatically. Most people get this wrong. They assume it only works for fitness enthusiasts, but Kalai adapts to your lifestyle, goals, and dietary preferences. You won't believe what happens next. It can even scan food labels and estimate calories without manual entry. Fisher focuses on personalized meal planning, recipes, and progress tracking. Unlike Kalai, Fisher emphasizes habit building and dietary education, making it ideal for users who want guidance rather than just tracking. Pricing differs. Kalai often has a free tier with limited features and premium options for advanced tracking, while Fisher uses subscription plans with full access to meal plans, recipes, and nutrition insights. So, which is better? If you want automated, eye-powered tracking and quick insights, Kalai wins. If you want structured guidance, meal planning, and educational support, Fisher is the smarter choice. The surprising truth is that the best nutrition app isn't just about logging food, it's about matching your lifestyle goals and the type of support you actually need to succeed.